All right. On the orange line bike path, about 3 to 4 miles away from the Amtrak station in Van Nuys. I meet a group of guys. We're gonna ride to Santa Barbara from there for a century. So, yeah, should be good. Just cruising along here. I'm on time. Good. We'll make a right turn soon, I think. Let's see what this is here. Oh, I'm just gonna go yellow anyway. Was I supposed to go there? Or we go here? Yeah, Woodman, right. Yes, right, come on, Woodman. Thank you. Kind of that dude. I don't know what it was. Started sharpening the glass. Alright. So, on we go. Left on Sherman Way, which is about a mile up ahead. So, yeah, pretty good. Actually, a slight preview. Be continued.